Everyone's talking about Grok, xAI's powerful video generator that's locked behind a Premium Plus subscription costing $30 a month. But what if I told you there's a completely free alternative that produces the same, sometimes even better, cinematic AI videos with full sound and zero watermark? No subscription, no limits, unlimited generations. Let me show you exactly how. If you're always looking for ways to access premium AI capabilities without spending a dime, and also learn how to start your YouTube automation channel and scale it to thousands of dollars monthly, you're in the right place. Subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bell. Now let's get into it. Grok's video generation is impressive. We're not going to pretend otherwise. But here's the reality. Most people don't want to pay $30 every single month just to generate a few videos. And even on the paid plan, you're working within generation limits. What we're using today gives you unlimited video generation, powered by one of Google's most advanced AI video models, Veo 3. And it costs you absolutely nothing. The tool is called Opal. The link is in the comments section below. Opal is Google's latest AI platform that lets you build fully functional apps in seconds. No coding required. Completely free. Think of it as your personal AI app builder. Today we're going to use it to build a Veo 3-powered video generator from scratch, one that takes your creative idea and turns it into a cinematic video with synchronized sound in under a minute. But this is the free Grok alternative nobody is talking about yet. Sign in with your Google account to get started. That's all you need. Building the app. Once inside, you'll see a collection of ready-made templates. But we're building from scratch, so you know exactly what you have. Click Create New. Here's where most people go wrong. They type something like, make a video generator, and get a broken half-functional result. The secret is in the prompt. You need a detailed, well-structured prompt that tells Opal exactly what nodes to build. Video idea input, mood selector, visual style, duration, and an optional reference image upload. A vague prompt gives you a vague app. Comment the word video below, and I'll send you my exact prompt for free. The same one that builds this fully functional generator in seconds. Paste it in, hit generate, and your app is live. Clean interface, all the inputs you need, ready to go. As you can see, the video app is ready, and it has all the requirements, where you enter your video prompt, describe the mood, visual style, set duration, and upload a reference image if needed. To use the app, what you have to do is click on Start, and it will require you to enter a video idea. I have already prepared my video prompt ideas. I will paste the first one here. A solitary lighthouse keeper stands at the edge of a cliff in a violent storm, massive waves crashing below, as a mysterious glowing ship emerges silently from the fog. Next, we have to describe the mood. Here I will enter eerie and cinematic. After submitting, it will require a visual style. I will go with photorealistic, dark atmospheric. Then we will be required to enter the video duration. I will choose 8 seconds, since it is the standard duration for Google V3. The reference image is optional, so I will skip that and then click on Submit. Here's what's happening under the hood, and this is what makes it so powerful. The app collects all your inputs, crafts a refined and optimized video prompt from them, feeds that into Veo 3, and delivers the final video directly in the interface. It's essentially a polished front end for one of the world's best AI video models, and you built it yourself in under 2 minutes. Within moments, a fully rendered, sound-inclusive, watermark-free video. This is what Grok charges $30 a month for. You just did it for free. Let's watch it together. Let's go again, this time using a reference image to guide the visual style. To generate another video, click here. My idea: a futuristic female bounty hunter walks in slow motion through a collapsing space station, debris floating around her in zero gravity, emergency lights strobing red against the dark void of space behind her. Mood: intense and cinematic. Visual style: sci-fi noir, hyper-realistic duration, 8 seconds. Reference image: let upload an image, then submit. Within a free seconds, it will be ready. Look at the motion, the lighting, the sound layered underneath it. Grok produces solid results, but so does this. And again, free, unlimited, no subscription. Let's do another one. Here is the video idea. An ancient dragon made entirely of storm clouds, and lightning descends over a medieval fortress at dusk, its wingspan blocking out the dying sun as terrified villagers scatter below. The mood will be mythic and overwhelming. The visual style, dark fantasy. Cinematic, painterly but photorealistic. Duration 8 seconds. Reference image, none submit. The result is exactly what a cinematic AI video should look like, and it didn't cost a single cent. So here's the honest breakdown. Grok is a great tool. But if you're not already paying for it, you don't need to. Opal with Veo 3 gives you the same quality video output, with sound, no watermark, and unlimited generations, completely free. The only thing standing between you and Hollywood-level AI content is a good prompt and this tool. The link to Opal is in the description. Comment video, and I'll send you the exact prompt I used to build this app. If this saved you $30 this month, the least you can do is share this video with one person who needs to see it. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep creating for free.